Take your ass at the end of the court. Alright, I was gonna do an exhaust video for you, but oh, okay.